In this video, let me show you how you can get Alibaba Business Credit. First, open any web browser in your mobile phone and go to the site. Next, read the instructions here. After reading it, click the blue button on the instructions. After that, click the Apply Now button. Just enter your personal info like your first name, last name, personal email address, and phone number. After filling out, just scroll down and select Continue. Next, enter your personal address and then click Continue again. Input your annual income and click on Income Source. Choose on the choices right here. Enter your monthly housing expense and click Continue. Now verify your identity, your birth date, as well as the last four digits of SSN. And here, enter your business information, click Continue, enter your financial information, just click Agree on Review and Terms. Now just click Submit Application. Just wait for the email confirmation for the business credit, and that's it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.